Today I'll be talking a few things about male infertility, जिसका मतलब कि पुरुषों में क्या प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. इट इज़ नॉट कि सिर्फ फीमेल्स में ही प्रॉब्लम होता है, बट मेल्स कैन ऑल्सो सफ़र अ फ्यू थिंग्स जिसकी वजह से हमें कंसीव करने में प्रॉब्लम होती है. नाउ कॉमनली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस अबाउट मेल इज़ दैट हाउ कॉमन इज़ मेल इनफर्टिलिटी. मतलब संख्या अगर सपोज 100 लोग कंसीव नहीं करते हैं तो कितने परसेंटेजेस में मेल इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम. The statistics show 1/3 of the cases are because of the female problems, 1/3 are because of the male problems, another 1/3 is both or unknown. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि this problem is only related to the women, but the males can also have some problem because of which they can have a problem in conceiving. Now what are the symptoms of male infertility? अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो एक पुरुष को कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा कि मुझे ये प्रॉब्लम है. Many times there is no symptom. When they go for any routine checkup, they come to know कि yes, this is a problem. But sometimes there are definitive symptoms which can warn them that yes, you should go to an andrologist or to a specific person who deals with infertility. Like inability to ejaculate. मतलब आपको इजैकुलेशन प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, स्पर्म बाहर नहीं निकलते हैं या इरेक्शन नहीं हो सकता है, विच इज़ अ वेरी कॉमन प्रॉब्लम. और they can be whenever they are ejaculating. So one is inability to ejaculate. Second is that the volume of the fluid that comes out with ejaculation is very small. Normally the volume is about 2 to 3 ml और ऐसे cases में हम देखते हैं less than 1 ml. Sometimes they feel even a few drops of the ejaculate is coming. So this can also be one of the reasons for infertility. कभी कभी ये भी देखने में पाया जाता है कि the color of the semen is very yellow, जिसका which means that this is infected semen, or it can be sometimes the pinkish also or frank red also, which means there is blood. This can also be because of many conditions but mainly infections. कभी कभी पुरुष अपने आप में फील करते हैं there is a pain in the genital areas, there is a swelling in the genital areas, or there are sometimes the bluish veins seen over the testicles, which is called as a varicocele. और अगर कभी कभी कोई चोट लगने के बाद में like there is a blunt trauma to the testicles, this can also cause a problem. So the list of the problems, there's a long list, but these are the few main things which can be seen in the men, which indicates that there can be a problem in conceiving. Now what are the causes of male infertility? See, the most common cause तो हम नहीं बोल सकते हैं, but few things that usually we find in our clinical practices. One is a varicocele. Now what is varicocele? This means there are dilated veins, there are swollen or the dilated veins which are surrounding the testes. Now how do they damage? The male organs, the sperms cannot withstand lot of heat. In case अगर उस एरिया में हमको बहुत हीट होता है तो sperm count, motility, everything decreases. And when these veins are swollen या dilated veins, because of the heat, they produce the heated area in that the testicles, the sperm quality is less. This is called as a varicocele, and this can be corrected by very minor surgeries. Sometimes there can be a blockage also. Testicles में sperm बनते हैं और पूरा ट्रैवल करके, पूरा पाथ ट्रैवल करके they come out. इस flow tract में there can be an obstruction which is called as a sperm flow blockage. Technical terms में there is a vast deferens, which is a long tube through which the sperms have to travel, so there can be a blockage into that area. ये diagnose very easily कर सकते हैं हम जब seminal fluid का the semen का test होता है, तो we find that either there are no sperms or the volume of the sperms is very low. Hormone problems is very common. There are so many reasons. It can be genetic, it can be acquired. अगर हॉर्मोन्स का ही प्रॉब्लम है तो अगेन द स्पर्म्स आर नॉट वेरी हेल्दी. जेनेटिक एब्नॉर्मैलिटीज मीन्स हमारे कुछ जीन्स में ही ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो हमने इनहेरिट किया है ऊपर से. सो कैन बी क्रोमोसोम्स, कैन बी एक्स्ट्रा क्रोमोसोम्स, दे कैन बी ब्रोकन क्रोमोसोम्स. कोई जीन्स की प्रॉब्लम हो गया है. एक कंडीशन आजकल बहुत सुनते होंगे, स्पर्म डीएनए फ्रैगमेंटेशन. मीन्स जो स्पर्म का क्रोमेटिन है that is fragmented, because of which again the quality of the sperms are not good. Male में gene is a Y chromosome. There is a Y gene, XY जो हमारा क्रोमोसोम्स है उसमें वाई जीन जो होता है दैट इज़ विच इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द मेल बीइंग अ मेल, उसमें ही क्रोमोसोम्स में एब्नॉर्मैलिटी होती है या कोई जेनेटिक प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं जिसकी वजह से द स्पर्म काउंट इज़ अ प्रॉब्लम। वेरी कॉमन कंडीशन इन्फेक्शंस, प्रोस्टेट इन्फेक्शंस। प्रोस्टेट इज़ अ ग्लैंड जो हमारे सेमिनल फ्लूइड का में एक पार्ट ऑफ द फ्लूइड इज थ्रू द प्रोस्टेट। इफ देयर इज इन्फेक्शन इन द प्रोस्टेट अगेन द semen is not of healthy quality. Sometimes the male can be on some medications like cancer therapy or some other medications also which can cause the problem in the count. Now another question comes is that how is this male infertility diagnosed? After taking a complete medical history and examining fully, now we advise a semen analysis. So we tell the husband to have an abstinence of 2 to 5 days and then he gives the sample by masturbation which is tested in the laboratory. The main things which are tested in the semen are, one is a count, one is the motility and morphology. So specific tests like ultrasounds they are advised अगर हमको कुछ लगता है specific scrotal Doppler studies भी की जाती हैं जिससे आइडिया होता है कि कोई ऐसा प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है जो अल्ट्रासाउंड से डायग्नोज हो। There are few specialized tests which are called as sperm function test, which only in selected cases we advise them. So depending upon your history, depending upon your physical examination, depending upon what the normal sperm analysis is showing, these tests are sometimes advised. So how is the sperm health evaluated? Now these three parameters like count, motility and morphology, at least 40% of the sperms should be moving rapidly. Morphology means a sperm with a normal head and a normal tail, and count should be at least 15 millions per ml according to the latest standard, and a total volume of 2 ml which is 15 millions per ml with a volume of 2 ml. So these are the normal parameters of the count. It is normal to have 20% of sperms to be dead. So for any good sample, we need at least 75% of the sperms which are vital, means which are alive. अगर इससे कम है तो chances of getting pregnant is less. So to summarize, any count below 10 millions is not good. Count above 15 millions but with a good motility is okay. A complete lack of sperms means आप सैंपल में कोई sperms नहीं देखते हो, which happens in around 10 to 15% of the men which are fertile, and they have to be diagnosed whether the sperms are not being formed or if they are formed but they are not coming out. So depending upon the diagnosis, then we advise them accordingly. Now what can a man do to boost his fertility? Semen health can be improved by one, maintaining a healthy diet, maintaining a normal BMI. If the BMI is more, a person is very fat, he should do exercising, he should do a strict diet plan to reduce the weight. Having a normal BMI helps in improving the sperm quality. There are few vitamins, the few minerals like zinc. Zinc increases the sperm count and the function also. Selenium also helps. Folic acid helps in reducing the sperm abnormalities. Vitamin C boosts the sperm motility. Vitamin D helps in a healthy sperm. And there are special coenzyme CoQ10 which around 200 milligrams per day can help the boosting the sperm health. And the common factors, so I summarize again, the excess weight causes, hormonal problems can cause, and agar hum cigarette smoking stop, marijuana, some people take the drugs, they should not take it. The alcohol intake, which preferably it's very difficult to say that no alcohol, but yes, alcohol intake should be less. एक common myth है आजकल mobiles and laptops, they don't cause infertility, but since not long studies have been done, I think it takes some time to actually reach to a conclusion, but till today what the data suggests is that laptop use and the mobile phones, they don't have much impact on the sperm health. अक्सर लोग बोलते हैं कि does aging matter? Females में तो yes of course. After 35 to 40 years, the female egg quality decreases. In the men also it is seen. Though they say that no, but if the age is increasing, the chances of the sperm abnormalities are more. So it is not a definite parameter, but some conditions like autism, some conditions like schizophrenia, they increase with increasing age. Ultimately, the final question is that then what is the treatment for it? Normally, if suppose the parameters are not bad, we give antioxidants with all the vitamins to the husband. 3 months में treatment से कुछ फर्क पड़ता है तो well and good, but we don't have to waste so much of time in relying on the medical conditions, medical drugs, or any other problem which takes long time to get treated. Now there are so many newer techniques which are available. If the count is between 10 to 15, there is a very small procedure called as intrauterine inseminations. हम इसमें क्या करते हैं, हम सैंपल को वॉश करते हैं और जितना अच्छा स्पर्म सकते हैं, जितना गुड क्वालिटी, they swim up and we collect that sample and we inseminate inside the uterus. just the purpose is ये अच्छी क्वालिटी के स्पर्म्स जिसका बहुत ज़्यादा नंबर का ज़रूरत नहीं है, they are deposited as near to the site of ovulation as, so the total path that the sperm has to travel from the vagina to the tubes becomes less. So the advantage is we don't need much sperms to do an intrauterine inseminations. Second is आजकल latest treatment ICSI, which means intracytoplasmic sperm infusions. इस ICSI के टेक्निक के आने के बाद पूरा मेल infertility treatment has been revolutionized. And what we do in this case is we take an egg and we take one sperm and with the instruments which are manipulators, हम एक sperm को उस egg में inject कर सकते हैं. So basically speaking, the number of eggs, the number of sperms. So for this, even if the count is 1 to 2 millions, we can have a good sperm for ICSI. At least normal के लिए 1 to 2 millions will never work, but with ICSI, if the sperm count is as low as 1 million or even sometimes less, we can have the sperm for ICSI. अगर suppose हमको लग रहा है कि azoospermia, but sometimes we do a TISA. What we do in this case is we directly aspirate the sperms from the testes. Sometimes we are able to find the sperms in the testes. So if azoospermia and we are not finding the sperms even, so there are banks now. Donor sperm insemination, कोई आजकल इसमें शर्माने का बात नहीं है. अगर नहीं है sperm, we should accept the technology and we can have a baby with the donor samples. There are banks for it which are authentic and they give the numbers. You can have information about who the donors are, you cannot meet the donors, but at least हमको ये पता चल सकता है कि this is a healthy sperm from a healthy donor. So there are banks, we can always approach the banks. To sum up, the male infertility is again not a depressing condition. There are so many options, but the advice is that don't take it as a disease. Be open to the accepting the latest the techniques which are possible, and with all these techniques one can really have the child of their own. So the doctor will advise you, andrologist will advise you, and you can have a baby of your own.